So, my mini mountain bikes look pretty good, but there's one big problem. The wheels. So, let's fix that. For this, I pulled up Tinkercad, which is a really easy 3D modeling software, available free online. So, let's get started. So, here's the final result. This is the old wheel. It is rather flat, there's no real rim, and the actual shaping is terrible. It just goes straight flat to a very light curve in, and there's a straight drop on the back. It really doesn't look that much like a wheel, and doesn't work that well. It doesn't have very much traction, and is incredibly thin. Now, at first glance, this might not seem very different, but immediately you can tell the difference if you just put them up beside each other. How you can see that this new one is much thicker than the old one. It now has a clearly defined rim on the inside. It is a small piece on the inside, and a circular tire that has a proper amount of surface area. And a lot of people might ask, why are there no grips and treads on here? Well, the answer is, if you're ever using these finger bikes on a carpet and you have one with grips and treads, the treads will catch in all the little things and make the bike virtually unusable. So I'm going to experiment with more rounded versions later, but as of right now, this is the most modern version of the mini bike tire.